Jam in the Van, the world's first and only solar powered studio on wheels, asked bands to show us inside the vehicles they spend their lives in so we could get the dirt on and off their rides. This is Tour Bus Tours. This is Spudnik and Jam in the Van at Lake Travis in beautiful Austin, Texas on our Tour Bus Tour series with our partners in Shine, Turtle Wax. All right, Rad Trads, man, tell me about your vehicle.
It's a 99 Chevy Express Gladiator conversion van.
Does it have a name?
The Tan Manatee.
Where did you drive to?
Put almost 30,000 miles on it since June.
Our brakes gave out in the Rockies.
And then the whole thing gave out in the desert.
It was kind of scary, yeah. There was like a Catholic monument to somebody who had died right where we pulled over in Arizona in the desert.
And I bet you're like, Lord, don't be me.
Yeah.
Who is the DJ and what music inspires you?
Jim Croce, we decided that Jim Croce is like our band's spirit musician.
It's the best. We used to have a tape deck in here. We just upgraded our stereo.
A tape deck?
Yeah, we used to have a tape deck with we would get tapes wherever we went, and Jim Croce was the best.
You know, it's actually a funny story about this van. We're staying at a hotel that the gig was providing, but Alden said, I'm just so excited about this van, I kind of want to sleep in the van today.
It's got a futon in the back. You can just fold down the
I'm
futon.
feeling you.
It's extra, yeah.
I used to do that. Right.
Yeah.
We came back to the van in the morning. Alden had created a contraption out of styrofoam where he filled it with ice and put a little fan on top of it. Of course, all the ice melted and it went straight through that styrofoam into the carpeting of our newly acquired 1999 van. Revealed almost 20 years worth of scents and odors freed from the carpet.
Check this out. Fresh blast. Y'all smell that?
Whoa.
Wow. Wow. See what I'm saying?
Let me do it again.
Brought to you by Turtle Wax. And this is for carpet and mats. And just let it dry. There you go, gentlemen.
All right.
And we're going to vacuum this out and clean it for you.
Well, that's in the back, I'm moved up to the front because I need you right now. Not too big old man, I fall on my knees and say I need you right now. Don't have the answers, don't have the words, just to redefine how. But whoa, I need you right now.
Do you have any albums that are coming out?
We've got some albums in the van that we put them out in September. On Tap, the Rad Trads album came out last September. It's really it's a great listen.
Now, how can the people reach you guys?
Instagram at the Rad Trads.
Everything at the Rad Trad.
Spotify, everything.
The works.
All right, gentlemen.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you, Rad Trad, baby. Yeah, man, this is a cool group. Stay tuned for the next episode and subscribe to Turtle Wax. Peace.
Down at the rally and I'm holding the sign that says I need you right now. I'm around the alley, not much left that's mine except I need you right now. If you still don't believe it, better go ask my friends and say I need you right now. The way that starts is the same way it ends. Instead, I need you, I need you, I need you now. Oh, I need you right now. I said, whoa, I need you right now. Come on, whoa, I need you right now. I said, whoa, I need you right now. Well, I need you right now. Not in someone